You guys have searched thousands of times how to make money online on YouTube and watched thousands of videos, but you cannot make a single penny too. So, in this video, I will share 25 ideas to make money online. Number 1. Self-publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. Number 2. Make money from your blog with affiliate links. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Number 3. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and Photo Shelter. Some sites require a subscription, but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries and a customized website. Number 4. Earn money from YouTube. To start earning money directly through YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views within the past 90 days. Once you reach either of those, you can apply to YouTube's partner program and monetize your channel. One area where you can make money as a beginner with a small number of subscribers is affiliate marketing. Niches like food reviews, product openings, and others popular topics for YouTubers. You can earn money when they purchase affiliate products from your video. Number 5. Survey sites could be an option for how to make money online for beginners because you can register with a site and start taking surveys in a matter of minutes. The time it takes to get paid depends on the survey site and how much time you dedicate to taking surveys. Some sites let you cash out only after you hit a minimum earnings threshold. Number 6. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like OpenInfluence or Aspire, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Number 7. Monetize your Twitch channel. Gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Streamers can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. Number 8. Rent out your car. City dwellers often don't use their cars for days or weeks at a time. That idle time can translate to extra money with services like GetAround and Turo, which let you rent out your car by the hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while GetAround or Turo takes a cut for protecting your car while it's being rented. Number 9. Become a private tutor. Parlay your math, science, foreign language, or test prep expertise into a lucrative side gig by becoming a private tutor. You can tutor people online or in person. What you charge can depend on your experience, expertise, and what's in demand. To get started, see what types of tutors are needed on Craigslist or create a profile on sites like tutor.com or care.com. You can also advertise your services at local schools and community centers. Number 10. Drive for Uber. Join Uber and make money by driving passengers around. Just don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance costs. You need an eligible car in good condition and must agree to a background check and a review of your driving history. Number 11. Sell on marketplaces. Sell products on online marketplaces, but beware. Selling sites can be a great launchpad for many businesses, but the current marketplaces come with a Faustian bargain. You get access to customers if you build your business on someone else's land, their rules, and they'll change them at any time. Popular marketplaces include Etsy, Amazon, eBay. Number 12. Sell digital products. Digital products are intangible assets or pieces of media that can be sold repeatedly online. They come in the form of streamable or downloadable files, such as PDFs, plugins, and templates. For example, if you're passionate about music and have experience teaching it, you can teach lessons online through your own course. Digital assets are becoming more popular because they have high profit margins. Sure, it may take some time and money to develop them, but once the media or software is made, it's not expensive to store or deliver to customers. Number 13. Become a freelancer. One home business idea becoming more popular is offering freelance services to clients online. Almost any role a business would hire for can potentially be filled by a freelancer. Writing, graphic design, marketing, data entry, illustration, transcription, online tutoring, Shopify store setup. Most of these services are best positioned toward business clients. Why? Because online businesses are the ones who are willing to spend. freelancers can charge based on the outcome of their work versus the deliverable, which gives them leverage when it comes to pricing their services. Number 14. Start a pet business. Pet businesses are a fun way to make money from home. There are many different ways to earn extra cash, like providing walking and grooming services, training, making and selling treats, or reselling products like bowls and chew toys. Number 15. Complete tasks for others. If you're handy, enjoy cleaning, or can offer skills such as photography and DJing, you may be able to sell your services on a platform such as TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, or Handy. These opportunities allow you to make your own schedule, and you can typically set your own rates. Handy has a flat rate structure for payment, but you can earn anywhere from $14 per hour for cleaning to $35 per hour for handyman services, depending on your region. With TaskRabbit, you'll pay a one-time $25 registration fee, and with Thumbtack, you'll pay only for leads. On all these platforms, experience in customer service is important. Make sure to collect testimonials from satisfied customers if you want to grow your business.